Hi there, students. Attain and obtain. Attain and obtain. What's the difference? So let's see. I think obtain is quite easy. Obtain is to get hold of, to get possession of, to buy, to acquire. Whereas to attain, to reach a level, to reach an objective. So he attained an A grade in his CPE. That's quite an attainment. Okay, so an attainment, something that's difficult to do. To attain, to reach a point, to reach a level, to reach a point in a progress. So to attain enlightenment, to reach the level. Whereas to obtain, you just go in and buy it, or you pick it up, or you get it, or you make it. Whereas to attain is talking about arriving at something, arriving at a point with effort, with exertion. So you attain glory, or you could attain old age. But you obtain a license, you obtain a pen, you obtain something physical, something tangible, you acquire it. You gain the possession of something as a result of planning or trying or your endeavor. Okay, so let's see. To attain a goal, to attain a level, to attain a position. So he attained the position of Chief Executive Officer in the company. To attain a speed, to get to a speed, to attain a standard. To attain an objective. So he has attained all of his objectives this month. To attain enlightenment. To attain fame. Now, I've got an example here, to attain a degree, but I think you could also obtain a degree. So let's see, I think obtain a degree is probably better, but he attained a good degree, a high quality degree. That's the level of attainment, whereas obtain a degree just to get one. So you could obtain a certificate. You obtain a certificate to show your attainment. The police obtained a confession from the subject. They got it out of him. The police then obtained a conviction. You could obtain a copy of a letter. You could obtain a discount or obtain a divorce. You actually physically get the thing. You get it, you achieve it. So I need to obtain a new passport. But to attain, to reach the status of, to reach the point of, you gain it, you achieve something after a lot of effort. So to obtain a driving license or to attain a driving license, I would say to attain is pass your test. But maybe if you then need to renew it, obtain. So when you first pass, you attain your license, you attain the necessary level. And then when it runs out, when it's no longer valid, you just renew it and obtain a new one. So attain's got the idea of like to get to win, to reach. You could attain a state of mental calmness, to realize, to acquire. You work hard to attain a state or a condition. So you're attaining a state or a condition, but you're more normally obtaining a physical object. Okay, so obtain, to get something by asking for it, buying it, working for it, producing it. I need to obtain a copy of this book, I obtained some good results from my experiment. Yeah. How do you obtain sugar in from farming? Okay, so to obtain, whereas to attain, to reach, to succeed in getting something. He attained a high grade. He attained his objectives. He attained his goals. The country attained independence. So to achieve something difficult to do, yeah, and then something is attainable. It's possible to get it. It's possible to reach it if you work hard. Whereas obtainable is it's possible to get hold of it. Yeah, attainable, reach the level of. Obtainable, possible to get. Okay, so let's see. To attain, formality. I'm going to give it a 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Obtain, 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. Okay, attain comes from comes through Old French, from Latin, attingo, add tango, to add to, touch to touch to reach a position. Whereas obtain, from Latin obtinere, to gain or to achieve. I think across, and tenere, to hold. So yeah, to possess. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Obtain or attain.